Wagwan everyone, my name is Crunchy and this is Cooking with Crunchy. Tonight I'm going to be doing part 2 in the series of my spice review for Reggae Spice, their seasonings that I've been using for the last few months. Today I'm looking at the Booyah Jamaican seasoning. It's not really jerk seasoning, it's kind of like their all-purpose seasoning basically. And I'm going to use this in combination with some curry spices to make some curry chicken. Stay tuned, see how I make this. Macaroni wood. So as I've said in my previous spice review video, I'm very liberal with seasonings. I really, I'm all about flavor. So this is some this is an all-purpose seasoning, or the Booyah Jamaican seasoning, that I'm going to be using with some curry to make some curry chicken. I'm only going to be using 4 basic spices. I'm using the curry, this Booyah, some pimento berries, that's allspice, and some red pepper flakes. I might put a little salt in there besides from my veggies and fresh seasonings. That's really all I'm going to be using. And I do have a curry chicken video that I'm going to put up in the link here above. And that is curry chicken with boneless chicken. You can use chicken anyway. This, I just cut up 2 whole chickens, and that's what I'm going to be using today. So tonight, to make the curry chicken, I'm going to use the Ninja Foodi. I have not used the Ninja Foodi to make a curry chicken video before. And as usual, I'm going to add this video to my Ninja Foodi playlist as well as my Reggae Spice playlist, which I'm going to link up here and in the description below. So right now I'm in the process of burning the curry. You're not really burning the curry, but you're trying to emulsify the curry with the hot oil to get all that color to coat all your chicken instead of putting the seasoning on the meat and getting your hands now. Put it in the chicken. I'm using the Sear saute function on the Ninja Foodi. Right now it's on high, and I'm just gonna let what is in the oil right now sear, and then I'll get everything coated nice and even. My curry chicken now, it's nice and seared. So what I'm going to do, go ahead, add my fresh seasoning and veggies with a little bit of water, and we're going to just have that cooked down to a nice curry sauce. And add my pepper flakes. A little bit of salt. And this is about 2 cups of water. There you go. Right now my curry chicken is done. Remember my 4 main spices that I used was the Booyah Jamaican seasoning, some salt, some red pepper flakes, and some allspice berries. Nothing else to it, but just want to show you that this Booyah seasoning packs a whole lot of flavor. I did go a little heavy on it, so might be a little spicy, but that's really how I like it. So my curry chicken was cooked in the Ninja Foodi. This was like a 40 minutes. So good. So much flavor, and just this little seasoning here. I'm really, really getting behind this seasoning, and I want you guys to go ahead and try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. ginger. Thank you for watching this video today. Steps, ingredients, and the information about this seasoning is going to be in the description below. There's also going to be an affiliate link where you can click on that link and it'll give you a discount when you shop if you choose to buy this seasoning or any one of their combo packs. Really affordable. This seasoning is 6 ounces and it really, lasts me a good time, just like any other seasonings that you would buy, but this has real authentic Jamaican flavor. Can't stress it enough. Stay tuned. See you in the next one.